present this project anywhere you want. So this was all about a demonstration of comparing ChatGPT and DeepSeek for data analysis. I hope your title of the assignment: does body mass index significantly affected by what are the major factors which can be considered potential what are the major factors which can be considered potential factors of body mass index. Okay, so this is the title of the assignment. So for this assignment, initial step 1, search data online. So here I'm going on so this is the Kaggle website. If you write on the Google Kaggle data sets, it will open like this, and here what you need is basically you have to log in with your Gmail account, and then you can download the data set that is required. For example, I have already write in the search box body mass index, and I got this data set which is already downloaded here. Okay, so when I click data set, and then I'm writing here body mass index, and then the data set. So a number of data sets here. So what is basically the objective of your assignment? Based on that, you can download any set of data. For example, I have downloaded this data set. I have already downloaded it, so this data is with me, and if I open this data, I have these variables where gender, height, weight, and then the body mass index. So this is how we can download data from Kaggle. And now we use the DeepSeek. We go to the DeepSeek. Alright, so I'm giving a prompt to the DeepSeek. Hi, I have assignment on the topic. What's my topic basically? This is my topic. The data set has 4 variables: gender, age, height, and body mass index. My first request is, please make a research hypothesis and also show me how I do the analysis using SPSS. This is the instruction I'm giving to DeepSeek. Now let's see what DeepSeek is providing us. The data is now opened in SPSS. Let's wait for the DeepSeek, what the DeepSeek is providing us. The server is busy. What is the problem. The performance of DeepSeek. The same prompt I'm using in the ChatGPT. ChatGPT. Start now. Okay. So the server is busy. Please try again. DeepSeek is not working. I'm using in the ChatGPT. Look, amazing. So this is amazing. The DeepSeek failed here, and all that we need was done by the ChatGPT. What the ChatGPT has provided us, the research hypothesis, the null hypothesis, it says there is no significant relationship between gender, age, height and body mass index. There is significant relationship between gender, age. So in order to avoid the AI detection, obviously in the materials and method you would write many things. You will just take the idea from ChatGPT and then you use, we can say that there is no significant impact of age, gender, height on body mass index. Then I say there is a significant impact of age, gender, height and body mass index. So what's the next step in the for the analysis? What SPSS is suggesting us, SPSS, you can analyze the relationship between the variables using multiple statistical techniques in SPSS. The first one is descriptive statistics. Before running any advanced analysis, check the descriptive to understand the data is good. So it's just saying that you use the descriptive. It's very simple. We go to analyze and then descriptive. We will check all quantitative variables. What we need in descriptive, so many options we have, kurtosis, skewness, all that we need, and then press OK. Right, so here is the descriptive result we get for the height weight index. So the next step, it's correlation analysis. It says to check the relationship between age, height and BMI, use the correlation, bivariate correlation. For this it says go to analyze and then correlation and then bivariate. Select all these three and then press OK. Here is the correlation. We can see height and weight has a significant correlation, height and index has also significant but negative correlation. And then the ChatGPT provided us, it says independent sample t-test, gender and BMI. The first one is independent sample t-test. So data analysis, the write-up you will do on your own. I will just use the first one is descriptive. So one more important thing I would like to explain here is, you know, in usually we use the APS style write-up. For that we just in SPSS, maybe in the advanced versions it's available, but I just don't need, I just need n, I don't need this one, and then standard deviation is okay, and then variance is not required, I delete them, and all that I need. So height index, I need only these values, copy them somewhere in order to get in the APS style the table. I would say description and then n, and then it's all these. Okay, so this is the table we go to, we would like to add on our press OK, and then use the design option, and this one is the APA style table. It should be in Time New Roman, and of course the size is 12. And here you can use table 1, and its description is descriptive results. Any title you can use. It should be in the italic and not bold. Okay, so this is the first table done here. The second table is about correlation analysis. Correlation analysis, it should be in the, okay, sorry. So again I'm going to paste the correlation table. In order to make the correlation table in APA style, we have to work a little bit. What we do is basically we just use 1, 2 and 3. Instead of names are here, and sometimes we don't need these values. The steric basically indicates that whether it's significant or not. So correlation significant and 0.01 level, whatever. It's if it's insignificant, there will be no steric point. I'm just deleting it, and then I don't need the p values, I need only steric, because the table should look a bit good. And also I don't need the Pearson, I need only the values. Okay, so this is the table. Paste it here and now format it again and go to home, time in Romans 12. Yeah, so this is the correlation table, and if you want to align it auto window, that's okay. So now what the ChatGPT is providing us, the ChatGPT is providing us independent sample t-test. It says use independent sample t-test to check gender impact on BMI. For this it says go to analyze, compare means, independent sample t-test. Sure, let's go to analyze an independent sample t-test. We're gonna use gender. Its values are, I don't know. Yeah, first we have to see, we have to make another transformation here. I'm just using a very quick, I'm saying automatic coding, because it needs a numerical variable. So I'm just checking what's the codings 1 and 2. 1 is female and 2 is male. So let's go again, compare means, independent sample t-test, gender 1, oh sorry, index is here, and then gender, define 1 and 2, press OK, press OK. So this is the independent sample t-test value here, and if we see the p-value, that is somewhere here, it's 0.202, 0.202 for both equal variance assumed and equal variance not assumed. It's an insignificant result we get. So again we need to copy it, and we say table 3 independent sample t-test result. Okay, so fit, auto fit to window. So this is the independent sample t-test result. It says that there is no significant effect of gender on body mass index. Okay, so what is the next? Multiple regression analysis using predicting BMI for age and height. It says use a multiple regression analysis. Let's go to analyze and then a regression and linear. Our dependent variables index, height and weights are independent variables. We need in statistics estimated model fit, Durbin-Watson if you want, collinearity diagnosis if you want, and then we don't need anything else, just press this. So model summary is 0.831. It's good. It's like 83% of variation is explained, and then ANOVA is also significant. It means overall impact of the model is good. When we check the coefficients, it says for the height it's significant, for the weight is significant. Height is negatively significant. It means that if height increases, body mass decreases, but weight is directly positively impacting the table for multiple regression analysis. Press OK. So it says the regression analysis. One more thing very important I can tell you from the ChatGPT, we can copy it and press paste here and ask Chat, please interpret this table as per the above hypothesis and make it in a paragraph. Form style should be APA and it should be easy to paste on Word. I'm just giving this prompt and see that the magic, it's interpreting the table for me and everything it's interpreting. I'm just copying it. So one more thing very important, usually there is AI detector. What you can do is you can just rephrase it the way we used to do while copying from any other source. Let's look in APA style. It says a multiple linear regression analysis was conducted to examine the relationship between height, weight and body mass index. The results indicate the both height and weight significantly predict BMI for both values. Especially weight was found to have a strong positive effect on BMI, and suggesting that that as weight increases, BMI also increases. Conversely, height demonstrated a negative association with BMI, indicating that as height increases, BMI tends to decrease when holding weight constant. So this is all about the assignment. It's about completed. So the next step from here is to just rephrase it, change wordings in your own, and then you can. So this was all about a comparison of DeepSeek and ChatGPT to compare my statistical analysis using SPSS. I hope you understand, and if you like the video, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.